I can balance me gal, wine and balance me gal, bubble dung, bubble dung. Pretty girl stand bubble dung. Hey, me a say no man, you know, so I tell the bodies represent for pretty girl stand. You don't know. Kick with them foot now, my friend. Gosh, them, you know. Every day is a carnival in Jamaica. Foreigners a fly from foreign and come. Pretty girl stand. You know the thing, go.
So she not on the team. She's like, I get you good advice.
But no, but she know what me
on
man don't like it, so I'm done with it.
Rika asked who was on their page. The two of them dep on each other page. I don't know who dep on who, but Puss and Berry dep on the same page, this man. I heard. Yeah. So me. That's the 4.
Need to stay far, Steph.
Me man.
Nobody make nobody friend up you and then
Are you kidding me
disrespect you
now?
and then clown you out like a clown. You crazy, Steph.
Ukku. Answer the
Yes,
thing.
sister.
Answer rock. Answer rock. She want
The
one
name.
Rocket's name Rock. You want Puss and Berry this not normal. They've joined back to Cuss Steph. Only God can tell me that that's not what they're doing. Cause me, they will cuss them. Me never want to cuss. Never want to start. Them can't cuss me. Pussy she done, me done. If Berry not done, me not done. I mean, I have a 1 page, I have a 1 page, because I want it under yourself. If you're better, right? So me here done with the 400. Hello? People, the live are done. And I'm going to start the 4-hour live. Please and thanks. Turn over the next side and go to Simone Power. Simone _ Power 355. The live you are done. I real back.
Half of me not afraid of you, Dari. Half of me not by way live nowhere. Dari, you not live no blood clot with Dari. Go suck your mother, Dari. Dari, go suck out your mother. Dari, me call you blood clot. You know where you go blood clot. Nasty Dari, see me call you blood clot name ya. There is Stephanie can blood clot savior. There is Stephanie can blood clot savior. Nasty Dari. Nasty Dari go be a dirty Dari. Nasty Dari go have a life Dari. Dari you can't blood clot chat to me Dari. Dari you can't chat to me ugly face Dari. Dari you ugly no blood clot nasty Dari. Dari go me now have a friend from blood clot yo. Go Dari you ugly no blood clot scare monkey. Dari go suck your mother. Dari go suck out your mother boy go up on Tanya live. Me go up on Tanya live and so blood clot what Dari. You and your friend them could tell me what to blood clot do. Nasty Dari you ugly no blood clot. You ugly Dari go suck your mother. Dari go suck out your mother dirty blood clot. Ugly pan blood clot face. Nasty Dari Stephanie can blood clot save you. Nasty fuckbox Dari Stephanie can save you. Dari move your blood clot. You ugly no blood clot. Move your blood clot Dari. Go you back on the blood clot. You stink like shit. You stink like blood clot shit. Nasty Dari, you stink like shit. You stink like blood clot shit. You stink like blood clot shit. Dari, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother, Dari. What you think you talk to dirty big old girl? Big old blood clot girl, go suck out your mother and come in for your life, coming up blood clots here. Remember me, blood clot black, you monkey ugly face girl. You say you're ugly, you look like blood clots check. You say you stink and ugly. This bony ugly blood clot friend. I know you from now butter ears girl. Ugly blood clot girl. You say you mark on a blood clot. You ugly blood clot, Dari. Where? a mix up, no blood clot. You talk about people a mix up. Are you a blood clot mix up? Now call me bomber clot name for your blood clot live. Don't come name for your life, cause me blood clot bad. Me not afraid of none of uno. None of blood clot uno me not afraid of. Go suck your mother diary. You ugly no blood clot. You ugly. Go suck your mother. You ugly no blood clot. Me see you. Dirty blood clot diary. Where you ugly, Dari, you stinker, ugly. You can't call nobody ugly. Dari, you can't call nobody ugly, Dari. Dari, you can't call nobody ugly. Dari, you ugly, you stink the blood clot. Dari is a legal blood clot immigrant. I'm not argue with you, Dari, because I can't fly and you can't blood clot fly. I'm not blood clot argue with you, Dari. I'm not argue with you. You mix up no blood clot. No blood clot, you ugly. You ugly no blood clot. Dirty old girl. You all in your blood clot hole. Boy, you're a bad girl. You're a bad girl. Where? You think Stephanie can blood clot save you? Eh? You think Stephanie can blood clot save you? Nasty bagger but nobody is calling your name. You're not supposed to call me name. You don't know you're dirty Dari. You ugly Dari. Boy, you have your man peanut. There nobody not like you. You're ugly. The whole of the ugly. Remember me about the whole of uno. Remember me about the whole of uno. Nasty piece of shit. There you're ugly. You can't don't call my name because I don't see you. I don't see none of uno. That's why I don't look upon none of uno. I don't look upon no comment because I'm hypocrite. Hypocrite no blood clap. No want nothing from none of uno. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I don't want nothing from none of uno. But this upon a blood clot. But this not up. That's one on earth. Dari stink like shit. Go away. Go learn for blood. Dari, go look for your blood clot visa when I'm no blood clot visa. You're a legal blood clot immigrant. You stink like shit. You go from life to life, boy. You have money. You have no blood clot money. You think Stephanie can blood clot save you? You think blood clot Stephanie can save you? Why you call my blood clot name? Eh? Why you call my blood clot name for dirty woman? Dirty Dari, I think whatever over there. Dirty blood clot Dari. I when I look your blood clot page, me over there. But me not over there, no, cause me not look pan none of uno, you know. I don't look at pan none of uno. Don't look pan none of uno. Dari you stink like shit. Dari go have a blood clot life. You need some life. Boy, you run from life to life like you're a bad girl. You're sad no blood clot with your sad blood clot stinking pussy where you have on your foot. Your pussy stink. Your pussy stink in a real blood clot life. Dirty Dari. My trouble blood clot, yeah? My trouble, yeah? You think Stephanie can blood clot save you? Dirty Dari. You're ugly. Me look pan now. Me don't know none from nowhere. Me don't know none from nowhere. Dirty Dari. I'm supposed to go and pay your blood clot live. Dirty, my eye when I lock your page, my blood clot upon it. Dirty, nasty, legal blood clot immigrant. They for kick you out of the blood clot country. No old Dari can blood clot breed. Boy, you talk, boy, you fuck bad man, you fuck sad man. You make up too much blood clot. You talk about me mix up. You talk about me mix up. Who me ever mix up? Who me ever blood clot mix up? Nasty Dari, your blood clot mix up. You nasty piece of shit. You think Stephanie can blood clot save you? Nah, no all. Fuck out Dari. What the man fuck her out for free? Over America. Peanut a bad man. Peanut sad no blood clot. You sad as fuck, Dari. Who you give chat? Dari, who are you giving chat? You sad piece of shit. You say you're fucking ugly? I can show you fucking picture. You're fucking ugly. You're not, you dirty piece of shit. I can show you ugly blood clot picture. Your scarecrow picture. What's she there? But don't call any name. You see you look like, you see you ugly? With your body blood clot lip. What the picture them? I just pass it or what? Yeah, boy, you're Stephanie and a blood clot friend. Boy, you're Stephanie a friend. You're Stephanie a friend. You're Stephanie and a blood clot friend. Case you know, I'm probably a chat Stephanie with the whole of them. Friend is that. People, look how she ugly. Cause the blood clot girl ugly. Cause the girl ugly. Body mouth girl. You know it's big no blood clot. Scarecrow monkey. You know it's big no blood clot with your ugly blood clot face. You see you ugly? You see your face ugly no blood clot? Ugly pissy dark shit diary without no blood clot visa. Look at dark shit. You mix up no blood clot. I'm gonna post the ugly blood clot picture of your nana old woman. You ugly no blood clot. Scarecrow diary. You say you ugly body blood clot diary. None of uno me not afraid of. I'm not afraid of none of blood clot uno. None of uno worry. I apologize to Tanya and so blood clot. You afraid of Tanya. Cause Tanya give you blood clot, but you are the blood clot mix up. Leave the girl alone. Now no old blood clot. Now we are worried about Tanya and Tanya in a better blood clot situation. And you down the blood clot visa. Look how you say you're ugly fuck butt diary. You're fucking ugly. You think Stephanie can blood clot save your diary? You're ugly in a blood clot diary. You're fucking ugly. You're fucking ugly diary. Diary, you're ugly. You're ugly in a blood clot. You think Stephanie can blood clot save your diary? It's diary. Diary. You don't even have a blood clot visa. Diary, I can blood clot travel. And Diary, and plus money, yes, Diary, look. Diary, we are talk to dirty old Diary. Go suck your mother, but this up the whole of uno. Go suck your mother. The whole of uno, I tell you for suck your mother. You, the whole of uno. Go where? You live from blood clot, Tanya. Every day you get up, you turn on your life. Tanya. You dirty blood clot, you big old girl, you old big diary, you need a visa. You know, you're 2022, the man that got throw you out of the blood clot country. Now no old diary can blood clot breed. Diary can blood clot chat to me, cause Stephanie can blood clot save you. Now no old diary. Now no mix up old diary. Diary old mix up like your body mouth. Body lit diary. Your mouth body up. Go away. You know, putting body in your blood clot. Go away, body ugly woman. You ugly diary. Go suck your mother. Me I tell you for suck your mother. Anything a blood clot, anything. Nah, no old diary. Go breathe. That's what you go do. Go learn for blood clot breeds. Yeah. How old are you? How old are you? So when you're 40, at them time you go breathe, eh? Nah, no old diary. You're all done. But bad man. You know what is bad man diary? You know what is bad man? You sad as fuck. You's attention seeker. You mix up and everything you tell about people mix up. You talk about people mix up, eh? You talk about blood clot. My black your friend and so wife. My black your blood clot friend. Eh? What you gonna do about it? Eh? My black your so wife. Me gonna black you. Come here, no friend. Why you come on my blood clot life? For me ain't a friend. Me look pa you. Eh? Me look pa you. Me not look pa no now, no. No old diary. Diary don't have a blood clot visa and a passport in our blood clot name. Diary and me you talk to diary. Diary and me you talk to him. I don't know who Antoinette laugh for fucky box Antoinette. Antoinette you can't laugh for me. Come in a fuck for £200. Nasty Antoinette and me you laugh for yourself Antoinette. Come and tell you for suck your mother Antoinette. Remember you can't do me no. Antoinette, remember you can't do nothing to me Antoinette. Antoinette, remember you can't do nothing. I chat to your big pussy mother when I like you. Diary your mother hate you. Go suck your mother, diary. But come apologize to Tanya. I say if was to apologize to blood clot Tanya. Remember, so nobody never tell me what to do. Now no all Chutana this up on the wall on a blood clot on the internet. Go manage your blood clot girl on herself. Nana old diarrhea, old nana up. Nana old girl. Go away. We're not gonna fight in the back up on the blood clot self. Kinda weak. We're not for join up for rub out people. Go suck your mother, diary. That me I tell you, diary and I'm no. Diary and I'm no blood clot bed. Diary look my bed with a blood clot bed. Diary, we talk about big old girl. Go suck out your mother. Diary, go suck out your big old mother. Your mother all done. Come suck me, diary. I come eat out the shit out of my blood clot body. Come suck out my pussy too if you want it. Nah, no old big old girl. But oh, don't you think who you think you're talking to? You think you're talking to your little fucking daughter? Diary, and I'm fucking older than you. Do you think you're talking to your little fucking daughter? Nah, no old diary. Nobody no tell me to stop. Nobody tell me to stop. Cause when she a class me, only the same people over there and laugh and then come over here and hear what me I say. Nobody tell me when for blood. Nobody tell me what to do. I feel like to do cause nobody not press my button. Me and a blood clot press button. Nobody not tell me. Me run away from the wall and no baka. Come suck up my pussy. Every day in the blood clot lift from me. Eh? Wow. Me run away from you? Eh? Me run away from the wall and the wall and a baka. Diary a sad no blood clot. You think Stephanie can't save you? Nasty diary, you think Stephanie can't save your nana old diary? Your old nana up. You all stink. Go away, diary. You not even have a bed. You sleep on blood clot cold floor. Stinking pussy woman. Me know you from nowhere. Your pussy stink like. Your pussy stink. Your pussy stink, diary. Go away. I didn't see you lot. When I'm online with Stephanie, I don't talk to dog shit people. I don't talk to dog shit people. Go away. Yeah, Stephanie, your friend. That's good for you and Stephanie. Me and you no blood clot, friend. Cause Stephanie soon find your blood clot out and shit in your blood clot mouth. Dirty old woman. You stink. Diary, me live good at blood clot England. Look, diary. Me live blood clot good, diary. Go suck out your mother, diary. Go suck out your blood clot, mother. You stink like shit. Go suck your mother, diary. Looking at you. You smell like bag of toothpaste, diary. I care if you're Stephanie a blood clot friend. You're Stephanie and a friend. If you're Stephanie a friend, that's good for you. Me and you and a friend. When Stephanie deal with me, Stephanie deal with me different. When she deal with you, she deal with you on her friend basic. Baga woman. Go away. Tanya this up your blood clot and dance shit in your blood clot mouth. You dirty piece of dog shit. You know how long me I wait for you? But you go rub out your mother when I like you. Where you gonna rub me out and tell me, diary? Diary, you can't tell me nothing because my man wants me, diary. You can't tell me nothing. Diary, you can't tell me nothing for hurt me, diary. Diary, you can't tell me because you not seen a cock in my blood clot, diary. And no pussy, I'm no secret for me. So you gonna tell me, diary, you never blood clot. You never carry me a blood clot hospital and dash on a blood clot belly. And you never carry me a blood clot hospital and make me you take no blood clot, AIDS blood clot test, diary. So you don't have no blood clot secret for me. Anything with your weight there, I gonna post it. No diary. No long me a blood clot wait for you, no woman. You stink like...
In the evening part, when I'm out the door attack, this is when I talk about when. Sasha Berry come on. And him said to me, Steph, him no need no help. Him get $1 million and tell help. I make the people them use him to get the program running. That's what him tell me. Him said, Steph, don't help him. I had the night now. In the night, him look at me now and tell me, so that same night, him said to me, say, Steph, I'm not gonna lie. Sasha Berry need help. But them two them wait
Here and now. Here and now. She changed her mode. Here and now.
Me talk. Not me talk. Not me talk. In the night, him said to me, so Barry need help. Me say,
Me say, young woman, tell now. Me a go live on my page at dawn. Me say everybody a go laugh off a shit. Everybody, me tell them like Sasha so long.
and then
And then I go turn on more
on
time in Sasha. Everybody a go laugh off. Me say, you not help It's better she did say me for I not help the other two. But not Sasha Berry. Sasha they on the road before me. Sasha come out a battle life before me and I suffer. Man stab up Sasha. Sasha get 20 at stab. And me I go fight against Sasha. You call me on my phone and tell me say Sasha then a pampas I can see when I tell her. Say Sasha she come. And me turn to you and laugh. And I never comment and say a lie. Because Malaysia, I'm a ball to Malaysia and say, Malaysia, you need to come down and call up by your sister. Because your sister shit up. Me say, I'm going to laugh off. Watch me. Alright, people, me I go come down. Steph is a liar. Me can't even. Steph, me can't even against Sasha. Me can't. If you didn't say anybody else, me even against. Me don't agree with you. But no, Sasha, me could never tell no else, Sasha.
me just say.
Sasha coming like my picnic on that program, yeah. Nobody can even step to blood clot, Sasha, because of me.
God, you know, you're bad. You're bad.
Yeah. Nobody can step to Sasha. Me I want cooked when me ready, can me defend my rights. That's how what I'm not from tell nobody that. Me defend my family, me come down.
You understand, sir? If fuck a lie. Hello, alright, let me stop short now. Him say, this is what him say in our words. And Father God, if I lie me, I tell me I'm going to broke off my blood clot neck. I'm vexing to run over on me, pit them and cripple them blood clot. Me tell me say, Sasha don't need no help. Because get help one heap of time, I make the people them hold him back. For run the program for them and for drawing customer. For make them get the help. If I use the people them for the program, I use him. Him no need no help. Mimi tell me that. Me not tell a lie about Mimi. Yeah? Me not tell a lie. I'm sorry God was the man. So all them water when me take, when me not lie take, to make it happen at the same time. When the blood clot said, if I lie, me I tell, come me not tell lie. And I'm not gonna know this too. You see this Instagram thing, me go fuck off with it. Because uno Batman is a wicked and a liar. And that him tell me say, me look on him again, and me tell him say, him tell me say, the girl, the girl, the boy up at top of him man a foreign. And him no want nothing. And him a get help from us. And I tell him say yes. Him tell me so. Him tell me all of that because when I tell him to build Instagram page, him say, Auntie Steph, me not telling a lie. The reason why I don't want to build it, I pay straight man, they on my page. And if me build it, then I go stop give me money. All man from foreign. So when Mimi tell me that, me tell Mimi say yes. Him they tell me so. So it not bring no fucking argument. All the argument is when him come up a while ago and say, the girl I say mine man, and him come confirm it, say the word of them a mine man. Number two, him just a tell me say, him never say, Sasha Berry don't need no help. They did tell me so. They say people are help. I don't know me alone they tell so. You tell everybody so. They tell everybody so. Him say people are help Sasha Berry day in, day out. If people up on the live, them can know this. You say people are help Sasha Berry day in, day out. Sasha Berry don't want to go anywhere because they will use Sasha Berry to keep the program going. That's how you tell me. All people that know this, and you tell me this. I'm not telling a lie. Bottom line is, the people them start beg me to get help for them, and I say they want to eat and whatever. Me, Sasha and I pampas. Me tell you, say him need help. You say, Steph, me not tell a lie. This is in the night. Help him. But remember in the evening, you come on the live and say never need none. You say so. I want to come back to you and say, no, I'm wear pampas and all them something. You say, even if Sasha forget the help, them not forget none. And you tell me who not forget none. about that. That's what he was doing. I'm a third time I said, the whole of only need help. Some better than some, but tell them need help. I'm a third time I said, listen to what I say. I still have to help them and make a beg for you in the meantime and put aside.
Make Steph talk first.
I see him say it go. I'm not tell no lie on him. See him say it go. Him tell me says the people might use Sasha to hold the program.
When she done talk, Derek can add Berry. If Berry come up here argument, and we not gonna hear what she has say. We want to hear what she has say. She not done talk.
Right? And that are it. In the pan people lie and people wicked and people lie and people wicked. I see him say it go. See him say it go. But you just don't want to tell the fucking truth. The truth hurts, but it's not a sin. You say that. You say Sasha Berry do not want to help because people help him and he could have gone a long time. Him could have gone a very long time, but people are using for all the program. That is it, and that's what I say.
Yeah, right, huh? Oh, you make so much
Stop
noise.
always start this morning.
You know, me don't do babes and ears.
Come off, yeah.
Hello.
Yo,
Come here.
in the over panny live now. Mr. Keep on bag see me all see it pan live.
I want.
He over there, he over panny live now.
Every morning, you soon come back. What on?
Alright, baby.
Well, I may restart my phone. I know, it's fucking up.
What if you admin and admit? You're the admin when you blood
Yeah, yeah,
clot.
come to Rob.
Hey, Kaya, come cut. You think we don't know you?
Come on, Robbie, woman, pan blood clot. Yes, so you don't you, my mother, my son, make you man gone.
Well, our man come save her.
But
We
if you
know
worry
where
about
you're
the
up
dirty
to.
woman, blood, I wouldn't know a lot of the dirty one. Say, woman, a blood clot, wicked. Say, woman, a wicked. She say, woman, a wicked. With the blood clot, man, vice, like a dirty rat. Careless. Blood clot. See the Instagram, you cheer for you. See the Instagram, stop cheer for you, no rat. What you going to do now? Your blood clot, yeah? I tell us I gotta work in my blood clot. If I know I'm gonna expose myself one by blood clots one. Yeah, yo. Big up Father God, no blood clot. Ever stand with me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not even a month good, you don't even know what Mark and look what you do. You come back come inside, this come back inside that move your mascot blood clots and go a dirty woman. Tell us if you have a reason with God and ask God if you can rub your hands if you rub out your blood clots. So you're going to keep life for your personal in a blood clot safe. Me go rub out your dirty blood clot with your handicap self. With your knock up blood clot handicap so you flatter and dance for your blood clot like a mosquito. Mm-hmm. Why you do it
Oh,
drunk,
Mimi,
bro?
come on.
Uncle Steph, why you do it? I say you want go
Mimi,
walk
come on
around.
for live.
I say you want walk go around and give people things and go in a people blood clot personal life and then they run come back on internet dirty man. I say they come call me, come to about Marco go live there and I talk about HIV positive. And me people are coming to talk about say if you say HIV positive to bury true. And when she said that no blood I say yes, Steph a blood clot true. Rachel when they write blood clot. They say yes, me have AIDS, what is it? So your blood clot stay wrinkle now blood clot, dirty man. Your wrinkle, you can come go like you give me $1 million. Don't you man? But they want to ask whether you send the money come give me, I'm grateful for it. And up to today, I'm still grateful for it because it helped me in a little situation. But me have to deal with your blood clot now. You're too much. You get from bad to blood clot first. With a sore throat, you've been on foot. Hmm?
I see some people where say thank Woiiiee. Oh, look here, but I'm eye. Yeah, yo. Me can't be blood clot zero. Me ready. What is blood clot? It's
Me know say the helping one and begging one however. What did you say?
It did not cause problem.
Okay.
You did want me and me did talk it myself and me never listen.
Production.
So me get in a hit, me stay back, me not call none of them, me not go in a them way, me not tell nobody no. And them a say me a carry news and me a fight against people because of money and me a fight people from God foreign. Oh, me if you fight Sasha Berry from God foreign and Sasha Berry come out before me, Keke. Sasha suffer enough. I answer to this now. Malaysia say,
Even if
me
you tell
can't.
Steph certain things, Steph not supposed to come up on the live and try like you want to bring it down.
No, but
That's why
that
me
you
don't
want
want
to
to
tell
find no
me
big
and her
pussy
talk
girl.
about something, Rika. And that must say me and you talk about something and you call them back and tell them everything. That mean you never rate me from day one. Strawberry warn me about her, you know. And me say no. You understand? They warn me about her. And me say no.
It come like so when
Sorry,
them
come
people
on,
like help
Spotify
people.
this
Like
right
they
now.
want to kiss their ass.
No, but watch out now. Me a Sasha. And me a beat Sasha to eat. Me a take care of Sasha. Me a do everything for Sasha. Sasha live in a house now. Sasha come up here. So ask anybody when Sasha come in my room for Sasha head far. Cause she want weed, she want everything. And me did hate Sasha when Sasha come on me yard. Me did entertain Sasha Berry.
Long time apple pie.
Mr.
Me
Bunny
leave the
come
Marco.
root of
back
all evil. I
up.
mean know this is gonna
Mr. Theater,
happen.
what I know? Mr. Theater Marco. Mr. Simon. Maybe gonna help you for real, I don't know. But blood clot, I'm look from mix Simon, I'm look from Karen, the two of them blood clot mix up like a blood clot tell you. I say I don't know them from Adams and I don't know if them is going to help, but guess what? If my help a blood clot, take kind of shit in the blood clot, we are done back the blood clot man. But guess what? Me see out of my two eye, the Karen and blood clot Simon mix up there so the blood clot and black them. But
Keke,
the
me tell
blood
her
clot tell
something.
you.
Me a gonna
But
tell her
the
why me
Marco
fit
don't take
back.
them from blood clot. I'm gonna see
Well,
I'm
I
gonna see
know
blood clot
Keke.
coming today, but it tell you.
If you ask her something, you always have a face for internet when you beg something, though.
Yeah.
Okay, me I go ask her something if this is fair. You look have the camera every day, Kaylee, and I talk to Keke for our next one, and Keke they live. Now nobody not see your face, nobody not know how you look. And me now for come up with my face, come and beg for myself, and the money I go to other people. Me tell them company Instagram if them a beg company Instagram, I give people them see who them a give them money. That's what I said to Steph. Some say me I stay far from the problem because me can't bother with it. Cause I know how them stand first what the man do me this. The last time Keke me catch one woman who own an organization. Me never for the Jamaica. And me go introduce one Batman to the woman. And from me introduce the Batman to the woman black me delete me and forget me. I know that Batman they are foreign. I'm still there. I'm a call her what they and beg her want money. And she block me. So you coming like me born forget the earth against Batman. Okay, everybody for beg for themselves. Steph help me and Steph so she go help them. So me sit back, me go one side and make Steph help them. Me not do nothing
Hey,
wrong.
hold on 1 second,
Yeah,
Kelly. 1
them
second,
and
baby. Mark, I'm going to tell you, say, I don't know if it will cause a problem, but it says if you look for blood clot, then they don't mix up to me. I mean, I talk it true, what I say.
Yeah.
Now welcome to the lie.
I tell her, I appreciate everything what she do for me. Everything what Steph do for me, I appreciate it.
But see
But
her,
Keke, you know me, I mix up now, agree. Keke, you a bad person, know me,
But to me, then, to me,
Mel,
though,
you know
they
say
feel like
everything
that's
when I
about Mr.
achieve in a
That's
life,
about
I
Mr.
call on the Mel.
Yes.
You go hear now over Steph life. The other people, them when me make talk to Steph now, we are look help and Steph say. Go tell Steph say me a mine man with the money. Me take it a mine my man with it. Oh me ungrateful and me a wicked cause me no want them get the help cause me want go foreign. And before me take the money and go fix me thinking mouth and underneath me where this and
But
that. Me a worry about
You know,
people and I
listen.
mind.
When you talk to you, what Keke they say to you?
Yeah, them me no know.
Okay.
I hit me just as I see that everything come to pass. But me did feel it, man, from the first day she and them turn friend. Me turn to Jay in the house and say, watch this. I mean never come past. So they say me go bring down all Sasha Berry. Call all Steph by herself after the call and talk to her, say help them. Cause 20 people up there so and 9 people up there so they, everybody deserve the help.
I need to stop the country batty, man. Blood clot.
And that me I go stop the petrol cause me never do this. Me name una call so me a mind man and me a fight against people for and get help.
Hey, it's not easy with a man vice there, no care, but go tell him.
You know what up to them, not people, yeah.
I
Watch I know we know. Look how long and nearly 1 week now Steph and them a cooperate. And watch me that
What
take
you call it, keep
in that
blood
1
clot,
week and me
fatty
that
dog?
week now.
Look
But
what I
Keke watch her.
But at the
Yeah, help
party there
somebody.
last year sitting.
I'm nearly 1 week now Steph I help them.
So all the dog come up in this now.
Them are gonna send me a buy food, your dog and one of us sitting cause that me take the money though.
So what
Cause
you
me
say
no
when I
want
want
no
to get...
in a life. I when they tell the people them they overstep life attack. So me no want no
But
in a
Berry,
life.
what is it? BLK. Man cannot have to call this. Not because he give one money when collect. Man cannot entitle to call. That's why I don't
Hey,
want
girl,
no
you got
blood
blood
clot,
clot,
big
go suck
pussy
your mother,
girl
to
help
Blackberry,
me.
whatever your name, go suck out your big pussy
Go
mother.
suck your mouth. That's why
No,
I
no,
want big
Keke
pussy
love
girl
Blackberry. I
help
know who
me.
him attack and somebody might bring down that comment.
But you
And
must
are you
know that you
I'm
Keke?
a
talk to
share code.
you. I
My
share and
Alright,
share.
talk to him.
you're gonna leave, y'all. I will blood clot,
That's
yo.
why I don't want no blood
Right, that's a
clot, big
June
pussy girl
plum.
help me. Me don't want no girl help me. 'Cause me not obligated to blood clot. No girl, not because you give me $1. Me not obligated to you.
I
That's
don't
why I
understand
work
why them blood
hard.
clot stays. People ever come with blood
No,
clot,
Blackberry
mix
I
them, I
lie
don't leave.
that. She send me the money, I'ma call her. Me call her Blackberry and tell her say the woman get the money. I lie that.
Wow.
After me get the money, Keke, me call her and tell her so me put up the money. Me call Steph and tell her so me just put up 50,000. Steph know exactly how much money me get. Alpha life Steph while me ball out how much money me get and the people them a cost me.
like she had do something good.
You hear? I
Don't
lie
lie.
that. Steph know the woman get the money cause Steph and Diary me tell say me I go find out how much is the plane ticket now and come back to her. I think on Friday I sat them even talk to Steph and tell her. So Steph, first of all, me get the money, me not know. Oh, Steph, I know say 50,000 too.
Exactly.
If me never call her, oh, she know say all of the money come up to that.
Can I work with this
Steph is
again?
a liar. I'm not gonna stop saying it.
Well, I know I'm see that with this, well, sister, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I woke up, I miss Jesus Christ, and my pick the drive up the day when me and Steph the on the phone and me I tell Steph how much money me have in all the 50,000 to get the woman. I went Akim come here. I went Friday or Thursday. Thursday. I think it's Thursday. Steph said I don't call her from me get the money. And I Steph my talk to down there so say 50,000 me get Ione. We keep a 50 me there. And Steph I look back right now so I tell lights, I tell the people man their lights say she not me not call her from me collect the money. Yeah, call. Me and Steph even catch up that argument. Keke never ask her something, Keke.
So Stefan Simone is the same person?
Yeah. Keke, me go ask you one question if I want to fair opinion. Hold on there. Who
The
know
woman
not
just for
jail?
herself, because first the woman say, Marco no call her back after the much days, and she say Marco call her back after him get the money. I call on her phone and she answer and say Marco, where you call on my phone for? And she say Marco said to him, said to her, say, I call if you ask you if you're good. So how come Marco never call her? The woman
Okay.
too wicked and
Do let me
mental.
go. Well, on the level, come and come in and come back now.